This is just totally nuts.
So what's your complaint?
You can't see my complaint. My complaint is, why should I have to remove a camera that is not recording and never has recorded in your store from my head before I can proceed to do my shopping?
So you're complaining that we've asked you to remove your camera before you enter our shop?
Yeah, it's nuts.
Well, unfortunately, it's a private premises, and we can ask people to remove sort of head cameras, any recording equipment before they come into our property.
Yeah, but if the camera's not recording, what is the difference?
It's private property. We can ask customers to remove items of sort of cameras, any recording facilities. We don't have to let them into our shops. It's private property.
Right. So that would apply equally to the police with a body camera on their chest, right?
If you want to discuss this, you're best off coming into the store to discuss it. I don't really want to discuss it on the telephone when you're recording me.
Why not?
Well, you're quite welcome to pop into the store tomorrow and speak to one of the senior managers.
No, I don't want to come into your store anymore because your store sucks, in my opinion.
So I'll end the call now for swearing. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Swearing? Oh, I've sworn. I've said the store sucks, and the manager of the store deems that is swearing. Goodbye, Tesco.